Hi, my name is Nibil, and today we will be talking about two of NoSQL databases provided by Amazon Web Services, Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon DocumentDB. Before talking about this in details, let's first clarify what a NoSQL database is. So, what do we understand by a NoSQL database? NoSQL, also known as not only SQL, are non-tabular databases and store data differently than a relational table. NoSQL databases come in a variety of styles based on their data model. The main types are document, key value, white column, and graph. So now when we are cleared about NoSQL databases, let's talk about Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon DocumentDB. Amazon DynamoDB is a fast, flexible, NoSQL database service for all applications that need consistent single-digit millisecond latency at any scale. So basically, it's a fully managed NoSQL database that's suitable for document and key value store models. It's perfect for mobile, web gaming, and ad tech that would overburden traditional relational databases. Just like DynamoDB, Amazon DocumentDB is also a fast, scalable, highly available, and fully managed document database service. The only difference being that it supports MongoDB workloads. As a document database, Amazon DocumentDB makes it easy to store, query, and index JSON data. So, when do we choose which database to use? DynamoDB is a great fit for applications that access data based on unique keys as well as for pure key value use cases, whereas DocumentDB offers more flexible indexing options such as adding or updating indexes after a table is created, and it makes it easier to query the data. Now let's look into some of the features of DynamoDB. The first being it provides performance at scale. This enables DynamoDB to scale to more than 10 trillion requests per day with peaks greater than 20 million requests per second over petabytes of storage. The second feature being it is serverless. This makes DynamoDB automatically scale tables to adjust for capacity and maintain performance with zero administration. Availability and fault tolerance are built in, eliminating the need to architect your application for these capabilities. And finally, it is enterprise ready, which means that it is built for mission critical workloads, including support for ACID transactions for a broad set of applications that require complex business logic. It helps secure data with encryption and continuously backs up data for protection with guaranteed reliability through a service level agreement. Now let's look at some of the key features of AWS DocumentDB. Firstly, as I said earlier, it's MongoDB compatible, which means that customers can easily migrate their MongoDB databases on premises or on Amazon EC2 to Amazon DocumentDB for free with virtually no downtime using the AWS Database Migration Service. It contains the Apache 2.0 open source MongoDB 3.6 API that gives customers the performance, scalability, and availability they need when operating mission-critical MongoDB workloads at scale. Secondly, it is again fully managed, where AWS Management Console can be used to view over 40 key operational matrices for your cluster, including compute, memory, storage, query throughput, MongoDB OP counters, and active connections. And finally, it provides performance at scale. Here, the customers can scale read capacity to millions of requests per second by adding up to 15 low latency read replicas across 3 availability zones in minutes, regardless of the size of the data. Amazon DocumentDB uses a distributed fault-tolerant self-healing storage system that auto-cleans up to 64 terabytes per database cluster. So now we are done with the features. So let's take a look into some of the use cases that DynamoDB and DocumentDB provides. In case of DynamoDB, companies in the advertising technology vertically use DynamoDB as a key value store for storing various kinds of marketing data such as user profiles, user events, clicks, and visited links. Applicable use cases include real-time bidding, ad targeting, and attribution. These use cases require a high request rate, millions of requests per second, low predictable latency, and reliability. For DocumentDB, shopping sites rely on content and catalog management systems to serve their customers. These systems need fast and reliable access to user reviews, images, ratings, product information, comments, etc. With Amazon DocumentDB's flexible document model, data types, and indexing, you can store and query content, example user reviews and demo videos for shopping sites quickly and intuitively using a simple database service. Now let's look at the client intel for Amazon DocumentDB and Amazon DynamoDB. For DynamoDB, there are lots of new customers like Nike, where they have migrated their large clusters of Cassandra to a fully managed Amazon DynamoDB, allowing more resources for better customer experience. Next, the US Census Bureau, where they use DynamoDB to scale response collection on mobile or desktop, allowing people to participate in its decennial count online for the first time. Next, the Pokemon Company, they have also migrated global configuration and time to live data to Amazon DynamoDB, resulting in a 90% reduction in bot login attempts. Samsung also uses Amazon DynamoDB for their petabyte-sized mobile app backups, resulting in consistent high performance and cost savings. Snap has migrated their largest storage workload, Snapchat Stories, to DynamoDB and improved performance while reducing the cost. And finally, Netflix uses DynamoDB to run A/B testing that builds personalized streaming experience for their 125 plus million customers. Let's look at the client intel of DocumentDB as well. First, there is FINRA, where Ranga Rajagopal, the Senior Director Enterprise of Data Platforms in FINRA, said that they chose Amazon DocumentDB because it natively stores data in JSON, making it simpler to query and index regular documents. This reduces their development cycles while extending the usability of the data by easily integrating with other systems that leverage JSON. Secondly, the Washington Post. Patrick Cullen, Director of Data Science and Artificial Intelligence in Washington Post, said that from automated backup to multi-AZ failover, Amazon DocumentDB provides all the key features they need to build the world-class system that power both their art publishing businesses and their machine learning platform. Coming next is Capital One, where Sunjay Pandey, Vice President of Capital One, said that their developers love the document model as it enables them to move fast and iterate quickly when building applications. Amazon DocumentDB integrates deeply with AWS services and has the potential to provide us with a robust, highly scalable and cost-effective database service. With Amazon DocumentDB, their developers will be able to move faster and focus more on innovating on behalf of our customers versus managing a database. And finally, from Woot, Sam Gyogsglou, software development engineer for Woot, said that Woot replaced their aging, self-managed and operational nightmare product catalog database running on MongoDB 2.2 with Amazon DocumentDB. With only minimum changes, they were able to upgrade their driver and complete full production migration in 3 weeks. In doing so, they cut their infrastructure cost for the database by 82%, including license costs. So that's all for today. I hope you like this content. Please leave your remarks down at the comment section below. Thank you.